Hey human, today I will be sharing this deliciously festive popsicle recipe alert. I'm Araxan Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Today is Vlogmas day 4. It is here and I've got the sweet treat that is easy to make as it is delightful to devour. Now let me show you how I usually clean my strawberries. Luckily here in Nigeria, we have strawberries growing in Plateau State of Nigeria. So in here I have baking soda, water, and I brought in my strawberries that I will leave to soak in this water for about 4 hours. You could leave it overnight, and what that basically does is it strips the strawberry of any dirt. It works, guys. Now I soak them because I intend to use even the leaves on the strawberries. They are nutritious too. So join me in this 8-minute video where I whip up a quick and heavenly popsicle recipe using, of course, strawberries, creamy condensed milk, and the natural sweetness of bananas. I also used yogurt. Now see what I mean by, do you see that sand? That's exactly why you need to soak them for that long. Okay, time to rinse. In case you have a tap like the shower thingy, give your strawberries a bath. Give them a shower because it helps to splash off any leftover sands from your strawberries. Like I said, I am bathing it thoroughly because I intend to use even the leaves in my popsicle. Alright, I think we're ready to start. So get ready for a burst of truly fruity goodness and a whole lot of holiday cheer as I guide you through the simple steps of creating this mouth-watery popsicle. It is perfect for a quick snack, a festive dessert. This is Vlogmas, so a Christmas dessert, or just to add a touch of sweetness to your Vlogmas celebrations. How about that? So in my blender, I have yogurt, strawberries, bananas, and of course, I will be adding condensed milk to bring about the sweetness, the creaminess. So the bananas will give you the natural sweetness, while the condensed milk will bring about creaminess. So in my video today, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks to make sure your popsicle turns out picture perfect and absolutely delicious. So what tip did I mention? You have to clean your strawberries properly. You have to add all of these ingredients in great proportions. Now, you do not want the other to overshadow the other. You do not want one to overshadow the other. So, if you are using about 4 cups of, say, strawberries, you need 1 cup of condensed milk, 2 bananas, and about 2 cups of yogurt. So there you have it. But for me, I usually just eyeball my measurements and I am good to go. That works for me perfectly. And it is okay. Yep. Alright. You are just here witnessing the joy of making this treats. Yes, it's a treat. Firsthand, because let's face it, the process is just as fun as the result. So in my popsicle molds, I am pouring in our mix. Like so. If you're watching this video and you already have purchased this ingredient, grab your ingredients, hit the play, and let's dive into the world of easy, festive, and utterly scrumptious popsicles. So I covered this and froze it overnight. But you can freeze this for about 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours, and your popsicles will be ready to go down. Oh my word. So do not forget to leave me a comment below with your favorite Christmas treats if you have any, and subscribe for more delightful Vlogmas moments. Hashtag Vlogmas Day 4. Hashtag Christmas treats. So these are recipes you should consider making for Christmas. It's not all about the rice all the time. No. You can serve this as a dessert in your Christmas dinner, or just a treat for the children and for yourself. Alrighty, let's grab this off the mold. Let's see what we made together. Ooh, we made this together. That's all I have for you. I guess I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Mwah. I'm out of here.